Have you ever felt overwhelmed by stress? Have pressures and worries ever seemed to pile up until it feels like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? If so, you're not alone. In this fast-paced, high-pressure world, stress can often seem like an unwelcome companion that just won't leave us alone. But what if there was a way to not just cope with stress, but to master it? Welcome to a journey of exploration into the world of mindfulness, a powerful tool that can help you manage stress and cultivate a more peaceful, balanced life. Mindfulness is a practice that involves becoming fully aware of our present moment, including our sensations, thoughts, and emotions, without judgment. It's about being fully present, fully alive in the here and now. But how exactly does one practice mindfulness? First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep, slow breaths. As you breathe in, notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body as you exhale. Pay attention to your breath, but don't try to control it. Just observe it, moment by moment. Second, broaden your awareness from your breath to your body as a whole. Notice any sensations you might be feeling: the weight of your body against the chair, the feel of your clothes against your skin, the temperature of the room. Again, don't judge or try to change these sensations. Simply observe them. Third, expand your awareness further to include your thoughts and emotions. Notice any thoughts that come up, whether they're about the past, the future, or the present. Rather than getting caught up in them, simply observe them as if you're watching a movie. Do the same with any emotions that arise. Fourth, when you notice that your mind has wandered, gently but firmly bring it back to the present moment. This is a key part of mindfulness practice. It's not about stopping thoughts or emotions, but about learning to be with them without getting carried away. Finally, practice this for a few minutes each day. Like any skill, mindfulness takes time to develop, but with regular practice, you'll find it becomes easier to stay present, even in stressful situations. So what have we learned? Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing stress. It involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, observing our sensations, thoughts, and emotions, and gently bringing our attention back when it wanders. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can learn to stay present and balanced, no matter what life throws at us. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. With mindfulness, you hold the key to managing stress and living a more peaceful, balanced life. So, why not give mindfulness a try? You might just find it's the stress-busting tool you've been looking for.